Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to set a password on the apps of your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to open the Play Store app. Once you're in, click on the search bar and up here type the name of the app, App Lock, okay? It's this app right here. You're gonna look for it, this is the one. We're gonna click on install and download and install the app. Once the app is downloaded and installed on your phone, you'll click on Open. The first time you open the app, you'll have to choose a password. Be very careful not to make a mistake with your password. You'll enter your password, but if you get it wrong, you'll have to click this button, close the app, and open it again from scratch. Open the app again, and now you'll be able to choose your password again. Enter your password correctly. If the password is correct, you'll have to repeat it again. And now we click this button. Allow, and now you can go to any app and try to activate the lock. We're going to click to activate, and we'll click on Allow. Now you'll need to look for the App Lock app, and you'll have to enable this option. You'll have to do the same thing for the second option. Find the app and enable it. Now you'll be able to set a password for several apps on your phone. To remove the password, just click on the lock, and the password will be removed from the app. And to set a password on the apps, you just activate the lock, okay? For the settings option, you need to click here to unlock, and then click here again. For the other apps, just by clicking, you can set or remove the password for the app. I'm only going to leave Instagram, the photo gallery, and Facebook. So if I try to open, for example, the photo gallery, it will ask for the password on my phone. Once you enter the password, the app lets you access it, okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I did help, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.